GearAddicts.com's coverage of the 2014 International Consumer Electronics Show has been brought to you by Stylus, innovative products for an innovative lifestyle. Pioneer Electronics, the future of car audio. Mogopod, the world's most versatile monopod. Grip and Shoot, one-handed wireless control for your phone. Ion, shoot in HD, share in real time. Goji Smart Lock, the most advanced smart lock for your home. And Hyper, get more with Hyper mobile accessories.
All right, I'm here with Becky at the Connery Enterprise booth. And Becky, what are we showcasing today?
So what we have is a iPin laser presenter. It's a very tiny device that goes inside the earphone jack. And very easy with a free download application. You can point and shoot laser just like that. And more than that, we do remote control with our computer via Wi-Fi connection. So once the connection is set up, I could do remote presentation control.
Okay.
So very intuitive with the finger. I could also control the mouse.
So in terms of the remote function, what programs are you able to control on it?
So for the computer, it would support both Mac and PC, and it will run on PowerPoint, PDF, Keynote, and also Prezi.
Okay, so everything you control is on your phone. You don't have to have a laser in one hand and go reach over to your computer. Exactly. That's pretty neat. So it's good for presentations. What else have people used it for?
We have professional like architect, like designer that comes in and say, you know, usually they go into a space, they have to point at something or point at somewhere really far away. This would be perfect for them, you know, pointing at a long distance.
And what's the throw on it? How far does it go to?
Easily up to 30, 40 meters, and even with ambient lighting, it goes further like 50 meters, no problem.
That's really cool. So I know it's in the jack here.
Yes.
Does it kill any battery life being in there?
Nope. Since we are using the earphone jack, so when you're powering the laser, that will be the only time when you're using up the battery, and the battery is very small, like playing a music.
This is iPhone. Do you have it for Samsung now?
We also.
Oh, okay.
Newly launched at CES this year, we have the Samsung model. So looks a little different. It's a pink one, and it's a purple inside. So sticks it in, and we have the laser
on there as well.
So iPhone and Samsung models.
That's very cool. And is this out already on the market to purchase?
Yes, it's very new. We launched it and officially on the market since August 2013. So
Okay.
been on the market for about 4 or 5 months.
All right, and what is the price point on it?
It's retailing at $56, and we do have a trade show promotion for $40.
All right, very nice. Thank you, Becky.